Hello, this is the BougeRV CRPRO 30 quart cooler. This is the outside of it. It's got the fancy little cup holders, and it has the little mechanism here where you can put in either cords, or there's going to be a battery pack coming out. You can see that if you have a battery pack, there's a little cord hole that you can put that there. Little cup holders. You can put other items in there. I have not tested that to see if that is a little bit cooler than the air temperature. I forgot to check that. Turn it on. It's easy to set. You can hear a little hum. That's about as loud as it gets when you are cooling it down, but for the most part it's very quiet. I have it on echo setting. I have a Blue Eddy EB55 that I was using to power it, and it took from I cooled this down first to 37 degrees, and then I plugged it into the 12 volt outlet on the EB55, and it took almost 48 hours for it to completely lose its charge. So it stayed cold for a very, very, very long time, worked well together, so it's very, very, very efficient. Opening this up, it's got a neat little light, and it's got the removable compartment here. It's very nice.